Hello friends, today we are making this nice and matching hairbands. It comes from the leftovers of trousers. It's a beautiful and cool colors in velvet cloth. It's a nice and easy. I hope you will like it. These are the trousers, which is quite long for me. And this is the leftover. It is around 4 inches. We need elastic. It's around 10.5 inches. This is our leftover trouser piece. This is the right side and this is the back side. Now we fold it in two. Fold it in two like this. Bring the elastic here together at least half inches together. Keep it like this, and now we will work on machine to join this together. Now join it together and bring it down. I don't know if you can see it or not. Like this. Forward and work backward 2-3 times to attach these two elastics together. Again forward, again forward, pull it out. This is the elastic inside. We have joined it together. Now fold it at the right side and keep half inch inside because it is velvet. It will slip. It's quite difficult to work with on a machine. Now we will work here side by side. This is the elastic. Keep it in the middle. Take a half inches inside. It is velvet, quite slippery. Keep the elastic inside. Take half inch inside. Bring it back. And this is the end of it. and done. That was a step-by-step tutorial for the beginners. If you are interested in crochet, please do visit my playlist crochet tutorials. If you like it, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Till the next video, bye.